Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox crashed or an unexpected error occurred issue. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply right click on your Roblox player, then open properties, then go to the compatibility panel over here. Now over here you have to enable few settings. In the first setting you have to enable compatibility mode, then choose the oldest window possible, for example 7 or 8, then check the box which says disable full screen optimization, and then check run this program as administrator. Check both of the boxes, then press apply, then OK. Now for the next step, what we are going to do is update the graphic drivers. So for doing that, just simply right click on your start icon, then go to device manager, then just simply click the drop box for display adapters, and right click on your graphic card whichever is shown over here. It might be AMD, Nvidia or even Intel. So just simply right click on it, then click on update driver. Then just simply click on search automatically for drivers. Now if you have an update for your graphic driver, it will automatically update it for you, or it will say it is already updated. So after this process, just simply close the panel. Now for the next step, what you have to do is just simply disable all the background apps which are running. So for doing that, there are two methods. Either first search for installed apps in your search panel, then just simply open installed app. Now over here you have to click manually which application you want to stop. Let's say for example calculator. Just simply click on the three dot icon over here, then go to advanced option. Then in the option let this app run in the background, just simply click the drop box and choose never. After doing that, for all the applications which you want to stop running in the background, just simply do that. But keep this in mind that all application doesn't have the advanced option. So if I want to close the Adobe Photoshop, for example, if I click the three dots, there isn't any advanced option, so you can't close this. So for closing this type of application, what you have to do is just simply first close the panel, then go to your task manager, then just simply scroll down and remove any application which is using high memory or high RAM. So for instance, NordVPN. Just simply click on that, then just simply click on end task, and do this for all the programs which is using high CPU or memory. So after doing that, just simply close the window and let's move on to the next method. So for the next step, what you have to do is just simply right click on your start icon, then click on run. Now just simply type appwiz.cpl, then just simply hit OK. Now over here, just simply search for Roblox, then click on Roblox player and click on install. Then just simply wait for it to uninstall. So after the install is complete, press OK. Now what you have to do is just simply again right click on your start icon, then open run. Now just simply type %local app data %, then just simply hit OK. Now over here just again simply search for Roblox, then just delete this folder as well. So after deleting that folder, what you have to do is next, just simply go to your search, then open Microsoft Store. Then after opening Microsoft Store, just simply go to gaming, and over there just simply open Roblox, and over there just simply open Roblox and install the game. And after the installation is complete, your issue should be fixed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.